doors that babble on.
Between, I want to do that. Between, Tank 1 system.
States Office of Civil Defense has issued the following alert: there is an epidemic of mass murder being committed by a virtual army of unidentified assassins. The murders are taking place in villages and cities, in rural homes and suburbs across the country with no apparent pattern nor reason for the slayings. It seems to be a sudden general explosion of mass homicide. Eyewitnesses say these murderers are being committed by ordinary-looking people. Some say they appear to be in a kind of trance. Others describe them as being misshapen monsters. At this point, there is no really authentic way to say who or what to look for and guard yourself against. The mayors of Pittsburgh, Philadelphia, and Miami, along with the governments of several eastern and midwestern states, indicated that the National Guard may be mobilized at any moment, but that has not happened as yet. The main advice news reporters have been able to get from official sources is to tell private citizens to stay inside their homes behind locked doors. Do not venture outside for any reason until the nature of this crisis has been determined, and until we can advise what course of action to take. Stay tuned to radio and TV broadcasts for special instructions as this crisis develops further.
That was some